Hi guys, do you want to know more about volleyball?
Okay, so hi, I'm Jenny Aguinaldo.
And I'm Diana Tario, and we're going to give you a lot of information about the history, facilities, equipment, basic skills, and the current trends of volleyball here in the Philippines. So the history of volleyball started when the game volleyball, originally called Mintonet, was invented in 1891 by William G. Moran after the invention of basketball in 1891. Morgan, a graduate of the Springfield College of the YMCA, designed the game to be a combination of basketball, baseball, tennis, and handball. The first volleyball net borrowed from tennis was only 6 foot and 6 inches high and first tried to use the basketball bladder and the basketball itself, but the former was too soft and the latter was too big and heavy. So they developed the volleyball, which is lighter and smaller, during the 90s. The offensive style of setting and spiking was first demonstrated in the Philippines in 1916. Over the years that followed, it became clear that the standard rules were needed for tournament play, and thus the USVBA, or the United States Volleyball Association, was formed in 1928. In 1917, the scoring system per game was changed from 21 to 15 points, while in 1920, the rule stipulating a maximum of 3 hits per team was instituted. The sport took a huge step forward in 1947 with the creation of the Federation Internationale de Volleyball, or the FIVB. In 1949, the inaugural World Championships took place in Prague, Czechoslovakia. Volleyball made its Olympic debut at Tokyo 1964 with the USSR taking men's gold and the host nation winning the women's competition. Volleyball has witnessed a particularly impressive growth spurt over the last 2 decades, fueled by the expansion of international competitions such as the FIVB World Championships, the FIVB World League, and many more. Not to mention, of course, the Olympic Games, where both the indoor and the beach versions now enjoy huge popularity. So here's the facilities that are used to play volleyball. So the volleyball court has 60 by 30 feet or 18 meters by 9 meters length of the entire in-play area of the court. Each side of the court is therefore 30 feet by 30 feet in size, and the lines painted in all white are 5 centimeters wide. This includes the net area and the playing area. The lines in the court are called the service line, center line, attack line, and the boundary lines. Net posts are positioned 36 feet apart and 3 feet further out from the sidelines and placed vertically over the center line. Top is set at the height of 2.43 meters for men and 2.24 meters for women.
Here is a list of equipments for a volleyball player. Volleyball basic skills. Passing. Passing is simply getting the ball to someone else on your team after it's been served or hit over the net by the opposing team. Setting. The setter is the most important position on the team. It's their job to make it easy for the teammate to get the ball over the volleyball net, preferably with a spike that the other team can return. The setting motion gets the ball hanging in the air and ready to be spiked by another teammate with force. Spiking. A real crowd pleaser. Spiking is the act of slamming the ball in a downward motion across the volleyball net to the other team's side of the court. Blocking. Blocking is another important skill, although it's probably the most expendable of the fundamentals. By timing it right, you can jump up and deflect or block the opponent's attack before it even crosses the volleyball net, which can take them by a surprise and give your team an easy point. Digging. Digging is a defensive maneuver in volleyball that can save your team from an opposing spike or attack. Your job is to keep the ball from hitting the floor, and you do that by diving and passing the ball in a fluid motion. Lastly, serving. Our final fundamental skills. How can you be a great volleyball player without knowing how to serve? There are a variety or ways to serve, but you almost often see the underhand and overhand service. Current trends of volleyball here in the Philippines.